Welcome to Gdansk, one of the most beautiful and historically important cities in Northern Europe. Located on Poland's Baltic coast, Gdansk is home to approximately 486,000 residents, making it Poland's sixth largest city. Together with Gdynia and Sopot, it forms the Tri-City metropolitan area. It has 1.5 million people. And if you look around these buildings, you can see why this is a touristy spot. Absolutely beautiful little city here. Take a slow walk through these colorful streets, seeing one of Europe's great cities. For centuries, Gdansk served as one of Baltic Sea's most important ports, connecting merchants from Poland, Germany, Scandinavia, and the Netherlands, and beyond.
Hello friends, maybe a drink for you. Sorry for interrupting the video. So sorry, but have a great day.
Yeah, the Hard Rock Cafe. The area is about 262 square kilometers, or 101 square miles, with a population density of around 1,850 people per square kilometer. While many European cities are facing population decline, Gdansk has remained relatively stable. Had some strong economic periods of growth thanks to a strong economy, universities, and quality of life. Gdansk has a balanced age profile. Medium age is in the low 40s. Around 16 to 18% of residents are under 18. Roughly 60% are working age. 22% are over 65 years old. Let's take a look at this fountain here. Is this Neptune? Marie really likes how this fountain here is put together. It is busy here today. Gdansk, historically known for shipbuilding. Today it's into technology, finance, logistics, shared service centers, manufacturing, and tourism. Well, security out today. It's almost like the president drove by us earlier. Saw a motorcade earlier. I think we got something going down over here. Compared with Western Europe, housing remains affordable though. Typical monthly housing rates: one bedroom apartment, 850 to 1,050 euros. One bedroom outside downtown is a bargain, 650 to 850. Buying property is also considerably less expensive than cities like London, Amsterdam, and Copenhagen. There are more than a dozen universities here, higher education institutions in Gdansk. As far as crime and safety go, Gdansk is considered a safe city. Violent crime rates are low. The historic center is generally comfortable for visitors both during the day and evening.
Zapraszamy kochani. Stocznie Stare Miasto, sightseeing, wycieczka.
The climate here is a maritime climate. Winters are cold but generally milder than inland Poland. Summers are pleasantly warm. Baltic Sea helps moderate temperatures throughout the year. There's a lot of gelato or ice cream around, which I might get my hands on later. Have to talk to the boss, see what she says. Gdansk is over 1,000 years old and is widely known as the world capital of amber. Also, if you're in Poland, you're going to need to try some pierogies and some kind of donut thing that we're going to go hunt down here in a bit. A what? A poochki? I'm going to be going hunting down a poochki later. So I might miss out on my gelato. All right, guys, thanks for come with us on this little tour of Gdansk. Hit that like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We'll see you again the next one. Thanks for watching.
You want to show the